beautiful friends, welcome back to the garden again. I came to the garden again today to come give them some water. So far everything is fine, and yeah, thanks to my friend, he let me borrow his land to put my plant. I have a lot of ginger was going crazy now, and those are some cutting I just did today. Let me remove that one. I did a lot of cutting today again. Even in those one, there's 3 cutting here, and there's 3 over here also. I hope they survive. Yeah, if they're not, okay. I think I will come back to water them more often. Those little things I plant for them to stay alive. Yeah, so far stuff are doing good. I can't complain at all. At all. At all, I can't complain.